So you've decided on the DonJoy Playmaker 2 to help support your knee. That's a great choice. But now you have one final decision to make. Do you get the sleeve or the wraparound? Both offer the same medical-grade ligament support, but they fit into your life very differently. So let's start with option 1, the sleeve. Think of this like a heavy-duty compression sock. It is a continuous tube of fabric that you slide your leg into. Because it is one continuous piece, it fits very snugly. Once you pull it on, it stays in place exceptionally well. It's a set it and forget it option. You rarely have to adjust it. However, there are 2 things to keep in mind. First, you must take your shoe off to put it on. Second, because it is tight, it does not work well over pants. This is designed to go directly against your skin. Now, let's look at option 2, the wraparound. Think of this like a jacket for your knee. It opens up completely flat and wraps around your leg. This is the king of convenience. You don't need to take off your shoes. If you have trouble bending over or if your hands aren't as strong as they used to be, this is much easier to handle than pulling on a tight sleeve. Another bonus, you can adjust the fit instantly. If your knee swells up, you can loosen it. If the swelling goes down, you can tighten it. You can even wear this comfortably over a pair of thin pants. The trade-off here is that because it uses Velcro to hold the main brace together, it might loosen slightly during heavy activity, so you may need to reach down and tighten the straps occasionally. So here's the verdict. Choose the sleeve if you are active and want a brace that won't budge and don't mind taking off your shoe. But choose the wrap if you value comfort, have trouble bending or pulling, or want to wear the brace over light clothing.
So now that you know the differences between the Playmaker wrap and sleeve, click on our next video to learn about our other bracing products. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more recovery tips. And as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.